next matter we have before you is Mr. John Harvey Timmons. He was sentenced in Williamsburg County, May of this year, by the Honorable Judge Cothran Jr. for the offense of shoplifting. He received a 2-year sentence, time served 90 days, suspended to 2 years probation. Today we're here to address the following violations. Mr. Timmons has failed to refrain from the violating of federal, state, and or local laws based on the following facts. Without conviction, there is probable cause to believe Mr. Timmons has committed the crimes of shoplifting and threatening the life, person, or family of public employee. This probable cause is based on King Street Police Department warrants 2025-845-101-00227 and 205-845-101-00228. The warrants state that Mr. Timmons did knowingly and intentionally deprive Family Dollar of its merchandise and or its value by taking items out of the store while attempting to conceal them on his persons. Following that incident, Mr. Timmons did state to Sergeant Matthew Wetzel that he wished he could kill him and that he would stomp his skull in. Mr. Timmons has also failed to pay by being $50 in arrears on his supervision fees, $26.82 in arrears on his public defender fund, and $20 in arrears on his one-time drug test fee. Such actions constitute violations of Provisions 6, 7, 9, and 10. And I would like to make mention that Mr. Timmons did go to an admin hearing back in July 2025, where he stated to myself and the hearing officer that he told his attorney at the time that he was sentenced to probation that he didn't want probation and he wanted to take a year in prison. So that's all.
All right, man. Bob, what's his position?
Well, Judge, notwithstanding the state's last comment, Mr. Timmons has made no mention to me that he wanted to take a year in prison, but I will allow Mr. Timmons, if the court has no objection, to address on that end.
You know,
Sir,
listen to her.
Raise your right hand and place your left hand on the Bible. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Will you say your first name and spell your last name?
John, Timmons.
Thank you.
Mr. Timmons, what would you like to say?
Well, I just, Your Honor, first and foremost, I want to apologize to the courts because the solicitor, I've done a lot over the last couple of years. I'm an alcoholic. I've been suffering from alcoholism for over 40 years, and that's not an excuse to break the law. I know that. I'm an old man. I really want to trying to go to rehab. That's what I tried to talk to my Mr. Kane about.
Well, what kept you from going to rehab while you're on probation? What kept you from going to rehab?
Your Honor, I wasn't out but 18 days when I got arrested. I didn't even have, I had a chance, that's why I hadn't paid none of the money. I hadn't had a chance to get a job. My probation officer, she knew I didn't have a job. I was ordered by the court to go to voc rehab. She told me on the phone that voc rehab said I couldn't come back out there anymore. I was out 18 days, Your Honor. She knew I didn't have a job. She never told me I had to pay $26 or something to the, for the probation. For the public defender fee. I was never told that. I know I have to pay fees when I'm on probation because I've been on it before. But Your Honor, I didn't get a chance to get a job.
How old are you, sir?
I'll be 60 in October.
Are you a young man?
Sometimes I don't feel it, you know.
Mr. Barr, anything else you want to say?
Sir, I'm not scared to go to prison.
Well, I'm glad, because you are.
Well, that's fine.
Judge, what
Wonderful,
That's fine.
willful deliver.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you, Judge.